Starting a jewelry store can be an exciting journey. Jewelry has adorned human history and culture, symbolizing love, commitment, and style. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to kick off this sparkling adventure. All right, let's get into it. First things first, you need a solid plan. Think about what type of jewelry you want to sell. Are you drawn to fine jewelry, costume pieces, or perhaps something handmade and unique? Your choice sets the tone for your brand and helps shape your business plan. A clear focus will make it easier to connect with your future customers. Next, let's talk money. You'll need to figure out your budget. Consider costs like materials, shop space, staff, and online presence. Money can be tight when you're starting, so be realistic about what you can afford. Remember, starting small can be a smart move. You can always expand once your business takes off. Location is another key factor. If you're opening a physical store, choose a spot with lots of foot traffic. For online shopping, your website needs to be user-friendly and appealing. Your store, whether brick and mortar or digital, is the face of your business. Now let's not forget about the legal stuff. You'll need to register your business and get the necessary permits. This is where legalregistration.com can help. Once you've got your business set up, it's time to build your brand. A catchy name, a memorable logo, and a strong online presence are essential. Social media is your best friend here. It's a fantastic way to reach potential customers and show off your latest designs. Don't underestimate the power of great customer service. Happy customers are likely to come back and bring friends. Think of ways to make shopping with you memorable, whether through personalized service or beautiful packaging. Finally, keep learning. Trends change, and it's important to stay updated. Attend trade shows, take courses, and always be on the lookout for inspiration. The jewelry industry is ever evolving, and being informed can give you an edge. This video is brought to you by legalregistration.com, the #1 online incorporation service provider. If you have any questions, you can check out legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. So there you have it. With a solid plan, a keen eye for trends, and a passion for jewelry, you're well on your way to opening your own store. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips. Good luck on your sparkling journey.